Tired of the same old iPhone ringtone? Let's change it in just a few steps. Here's how you change your ringtone on iPhone. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Sound and Haptics, tap Ringtone. You'll see a list of built-in ringtones. Just tap any one to preview and set it instantly. If you want more ringtones, tap Tone Store to buy new ones from the iTunes Store. Once you select a ringtone, it's automatically saved. No need to press any extra buttons. You can also set custom ringtones for specific contact by editing their contact info and choosing a personalized one. If this helped, hit like, comment your favorite ringtone, and subscribe to Quick Fix Tutos for more fast iPhone tips.